numbers.
I want to get to the core numbers because that's what the Fed focuses on when it comes to their inflation gauges. Okay, the month-over-month number coming in a tiny bit hotter than expected, 0.6%, 0.6%. The expectation was for 0.5. That's core. That excludes food and energy, obviously. The year-over-year coming in hotter than expected. Again, this is core. Price index excludes food and energy, 4.9%. The street was looking for 4.7%. It came in at 4.9%. Now to income and spending. I want to give that to you as well. Income coming in line with expectations, 0.3%. Spending coming in at 0.4%. That is hotter than expected. The street was looking for 0.2% on spending. That is the consumption number, to be clear here, coming in at 0.4%, hotter than expected. The PCE, the year over year, now let me give you the headline number. That is 6.2% for the headline number. PCE price index 6.2%. We didn't have a definitive estimate for that. Just to be clear here, that's the year-over-year number. But I did see one other forecast going into this report that they were looking for 6.6%. So take that for what you will. We use definitive estimates here at Fox Business, and I didn't have those numbers for the month-over-month and the year-over-year for the headline numbers. But again, the August year-over-year PCE index 6.2% coming in the month of July, it was 6.3%. So I think that's very interesting. But again, getting all of this data crossing right now. So let's go through all of this just to be clear here. Consumption, that was spending, 0.4%, stronger than expected. Income, 0.3%, that was in line. The PCE price index month to month, 0.3%. Again, I did not have an estimate for that from Refinitiv this morning. And month over month, year over year for August, the headline PCE price index, 6.2%. But core, which again is what the Fed looks at, guys, again, core, 0.6%, a slight bit hotter than expected from the estimates, 4.9% year over year versus 4.7%. It's a lot of data, Maria, obviously, but those are the key numbers. But again, it's that core month over month and year over year hotter than expected numbers that the Fed is going to look at. Remember, they've got that 2% inflation gauge. Well, this isn't 2%. Okay, that's their target. We are not there at all, Maria. Back to you.
Yeah, well, that's right. And it's gotten worse, Cheryl. Markets were going back and forth as you were reporting this news.